How to fix apps crashing in iOS 18. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is give fresh restart to your device. For that, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. With that, your phone will be turned off. Then you have to wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you have to do is scroll up, navigate to the option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it to its latest version. Likewise, click on the option Automatic Updates and enable for all these options. Now, you can head back, close this, launch your App Store, click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Now, navigate to the option Apps. In this page, you're going to find the list of the apps that are installed on a device. If you find the option of update for any of the app, click on it and update it to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. If you're having this issue in this specific app, you can uninstall the app and then reinstall it. For example, let's say you are having the issue in Instagram, just delete the app. Then again reinstall the app from the App Store. Last thing you want to check is your iPhone storage. So close this, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. So this is how you can fix apps crashing in iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.